To this now, 27 suspects arrested last month in a home affairs sting operation in Krugersdorp will appear in court once again this morning. This for allegedly running a fake passport syndicate. eNCA's reporter Govan Whittles has been following the story and joins us now with more. Govan, so today we expect the formal bail proceedings for the 27 suspects to get underway, am I correct?
Yeah, that's right. That is what we're expecting here at the Krugersdorp Magistrate's Court. It looks like that may go ahead. The Hawks, we've confirmed yesterday, dropped off the docket here with the state, so they are in a position to proceed. What we are looking for now is whether or not there'll be translators for all of the suspects that are in the dock. Some of the suspects from South Africa, the South Africans who were going to sell their identity for 500 Rand, their family already in the public gallery. Some of the family and representatives of the foreign nationals who were caught alongside the South Africans and that kingpin inside the Krugersdorp Home Affairs office are also in the gallery. So there is some expectation that it will go ahead. And then we're expecting to hear from the Hawks in terms of the further arrests of Home Affairs officials who were involved in this corruption and running this fake passport scam. Among the accused will also be the kingpin, the person who's accused of running the scam across the country in 6 provinces and would have scored up to 800,000 Rand on the night that the Home Affairs officials and the Hawks conducted that sting operation here. So it is all systems go, but it's not clear whether or not all the translators are in court and whether that bail application will proceed.
Govan, do we know if there could possibly be more arrests? I mean, this was a very successful sting operation, 27 suspects. But do we know from the NPA if perhaps there are more arrests to be effected?
So the people that the NPA and the Hawks are zooming into are the Home Affairs officials, and they want to make sure that they've arrested all the people who collaborated with this fake passport syndicate that may still be in Home Affairs offices. And then they've also placed the passports that were obtained fraudulently, or which were fraudulent because they were made in the dead of the night in cooperation between the Home Affairs officials and the syndicate. They've V-listed those passports and they want to track down the people who are still in possession of them. And the only way they can do so is if those people try to use those passports to either register for something or try to leave the country. So that's what the Hawks are looking at right now, but all eyes are on whether or not they arrest those Home Affairs officials and whether they will be appearing alongside these other accused in the passport syndicate in court. But for today, we only expect the bail application of those 27 men.
All right, Govan, we'll leave it there for now. That's eNCA reporter Govan Whittles.